Pratt & Whitney passenger engines in formation. Whoa, we do pull out the stops here. It's invasion stripes from the D-Day celebrations, where Nick Houghton's Beech 18 was used as a camera platform for lots of the photographers recording the event. Nick always... The Beech 18 dates back from 1937 when it made its first flight, and it generally was a popular military aircraft. Served in the US military boating, and spent time with a number of Canadian operators in civilian terms. In fact, working mainly survey companies. Capital Air Surveys at Pembroke were one of her owners. But unfortunately, on a mission to Europe, the company went bust, and 3 Beech 18s were left lying around. Eventually, Graham Warner at the British Aerial Museum had been looking for a Beech 18 to act as a support for the Blenheim, and also as a pilot trainer for the unique Blenheim. Heard about the aircraft and wanted so in the end, I think he ended up with 2 of them, and they came to Duxford and registered to Since then, she's undergone 2 major rebuilds and is now owned and operated by Nick Houghton, who is flying her today. Nick's a flying farmer from Langham in Rutland, gained a PPL back in 1980. He displaying the Beech 18 for the last 3 seasons and bases the aeroplane around Leicester Airport, where it's often on a private strip. Nick's Displays with an S and at Little Gransden, because we'd love to see those pictures on Twitter, and make sure you put a little message. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful pair of Spartan Executives, the only 2 of this particular mark outside of the USA. Interesting, I believe there were only 34 of them originally manufactured, 19 of them are still in service. These are the only 2 Served time as the rocket with the red rock listening. Flying the silver aeroplane is Bob Morecambe, a local pilot. Bob's been a lifetime professional pilot. We want everything from the A23 Aztecs to the Boeing 767 along with Airbus. He spent 26 years with Bob flying 750. Another local lad. Ian's founder and managing director of Jet Exchange, a provider of worldwide personal aircraft management, position and charter in the worldwide AOC. Ian started flying back in 1990 while studying aircraft engineering at Bristol. He admits to being very fortunate in flying a very large variety of aircraft types in various capacities. With more than 10,000 hours of flight experience with type ratings on the Falcon 50 and 900, the Phenom 300 and Citation 525, and the Pilatus PC-12. Previously at Little Gransden, he's displayed the Spartan Executives as well as a Yak 18 team, Jet Provost and Pilatus PC